A leader in an organization is someone who always leads from the front and guides other people, teams, and organizations. Great leaders inspire and drive others to reach their maximum potential in order to advance the firm. It provides several opportunities to develop future leaders in your organization. Another advantage of leadership training is that it aids in improved strategic decision-making, which is the company's finest investment. Leadership training lowers recruitment expenses and promotes staff retention. Finally, leadership development leads to increased employee engagement. Great leaders instill a sense of giving feedback, which is a valuable talent in and of itself. Promise Training and Consultancy is a leading training organization. We offer advanced leadership training and management training courses. We offer personalized training programs based on the specific needs of our clients. Visit PromiseTrainingGlobal.com to explore more. You can call us at 971-544-590-666 to discuss your requirements.